Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax Close and Bell. Today's Close and Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. From chores to parasite control, the best ranchers have it covered. Dectomax injectable from Zoetis protects against 36 types of little parasites, including adult parasites, L4 larvae, and inhibited larvae. The choice cutout closed this week $10.41 higher to $316.78, while selects over the same period advanced by $6.55 to $295.91 per hundredweight. Seasonally, the cutout would be finding a top in May as Memorial Day buying slows and the slaughter rates increase. Yet, with limited capacity at the packing plants and strong demand, the cutout could hold a little longer at these higher levels. On the cattle side of the markets, there was moderate fed cattle cash trade this week from 118 to 119, basis the Southern Plains. This would be a steady to firm market compared to last week. On the grain side of the markets, the May USDA WASDE was released this week. This is the first supply and demand estimates for the next marketing year released after the March prospective plantings report. First, old crop exports were increased by 100 million bushels as strong demand for U.S. corn continues from China. This reduced old crop stocks to use to 8.5%, and reduced stocks expected to be carried over to the next year to 1.25 billion bushels. This is the smallest corn carryover since 2014. Corn acres were estimated at 91.1 million acres, with trendline yield of 179.5 bushels per acre. With harvested acres pegged at 83.5 million acres, corn production would be estimated at 15 billion bushels. If achieved, this would be the second largest production level and record yield. Yet total corn supplies will be affected by the smaller beginning stocks. On the demand side, increased ethanol partially offset expected smaller exports, and as a result, corn stocks to use for next year were estimated at 10.2%. Last Friday, December corn futures made a high at $6.36 per bushel. After the report, the market has moved nearly 75 cents lower. Keep in mind, these are the initial estimates. The June acreage report and yield can significantly change the supply side of the balance sheet. Expect continued volatility in corn futures as the market looks to determine potential supply and demand changes. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.